Dhaka ground Samacom, Capella 47 on.
Capella 471 Dhaka ground, good morning, assalamu alaikum, clear to Saidpur, Takeoff 1, flight level 140, squawk 4150.
Walaikum assalam sir, clear to Saidpur by Takeoff 1 departure, level 140, squawk 4150, way number 25.
Capella 471, repeat way 25.
Dhaka ground, Bangla Star 532, assalamu alaikum, Vector Sierra 1.
Bangla Star 532, Dhaka ground, walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, continue Sierra 1, Sierra, hold short of Charlie.
Continue Sierra 1, Sierra, hold short of Charlie, Bangla Star 532.
Dhaka Bangla Star 217 requesting taxi.
Bangla Star 217 stand by.
Okay.
Dhaka ground, Bangla Star 532, request expected bay number?
Delta 18.
Delta 18, Bangla Star 532.
Dhaka Bangla Star 217.
217 Dhaka.
Reason for standby?
Traffic pushing performance, number 7. Alpha Lima Alpha, any delay?
No, yes sir, we're commencing pushback.
What?
Cover.
You're clear to start anytime. Start at number
Dhaka ground, Bangla Star 102.
Stop the sequence, 1, 2.
Hold short of Charlie.
Qatari 5 Quebec, continue with Charlie, slowly for base 7. Traffic will give you a.
Copied. When clear of traffic, we continue Charlie to bay number 7, Qatari 5 Quebec.
Banasha 532, behind Qatari, continue November, request and Delta 18.
Behind Qatari,
Pushback
November,
completed,
Echo
sir.
Delta 18,
Please
Bangla
sit
Star
back a bit.
532. Good morning, Dhaka ground, Nova 982, Sierra 1.
Thank you.
Number 982 Dhaka ground, good morning, continue Sierra 1, Sierra, hold short of Charlie, bay will be Delta 17.
Sierra 1, Sierra, hold short of Charlie, expecting Delta 17.
Banasha 217, taxi with Charlie, November 2, holding point runway 14, QNH 1016.
Unit 1016 Charlie, November 2, holding point runway 1 for Bangla Star 217.
Alpha Lima Alpha, continue bay number 17.
Continue Bay 17, Alpha Lima Alpha.
Alpha Lima Alpha, you next departure time?
Can you continue Nova 982?
Number 982 FM, continue November request and Delta 17.
November Echo, stand Delta 17, Nova 982, continue.
Alpha Lima Alpha, requesting your next departure time.
Next departure time, 034, 1545 local time.
Clear to disconnect, hands signal on the right. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you, sir. Have a safe flight. Thank you.
Banasha 217, contact Dhaka Tower 118.3, Allah Hafiz.
118.3, bye-bye, Bangla Star 217.
Ground Bangla Star 161, stand 25, request pushback.
Banasha 161, pushback approved, push to face north.
Pushback approved facing north, Bangla Star 161.
Check. After start?
Let's go.
After start, anti-ice.
Off.
Economy status.
Check.
Pitch trim.
91.1%.
Weather trim.
Neutral.
After start, chili complete.
Taxi
Ready?
captain.
Round Arabia and 514, ready for taxi.
Delta 513, taxi with Charlie, November 2, holding point runway 14, QNH 1016.
Charlie, November 2, holding point 10, runway 14, 1016, Arabia 513.
Ground Capella
So
471,
first left,
825,
then
requesting
right,
taxi.
November.
Yeah.
Holding point runway 14. Clear right side.
Left side.
1, taxi behind Yara Rapia. Charlie, November 1, holding point runway 14, QNH 1016.
Charlie November now to holding point 141016, binary area Capella 471.
Check.
Dhaka ground, good morning, Augusta 145.
Clear right, turning left.
Good morning.
Check, clear left.
Clear to Office Level Street, Admit 1, flight level 170, squawk 4122.
Admin 1, runway 14, Parkway 170, squawk 4122, Augusta 145.
So 145, is correct.
Clear left.
Turning right.
Ground Bangladesh 201, good morning, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, 201, clear to Kolkata, City Code 1, flight level 140, squawk 4717.
Clear to Kolkata via Kuku 1 departure, flight level 140, squawk 4717, Bangladesh 201, we are at stand
Check.
23 knot.
Full left.
Bangladesh 201,
Hold down.
correct by 23 knot.
Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Right.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Ground Bangladesh 121, good morning and assalamu alaikum.
Bangladesh 121, Dhaka ground, walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, good morning, clear to Joshua, City 11, flight level 080, squawk 4124.
Taxi checklist.
A101
Taxi
departure,
check,
level
please.
80, squawk 412,
Flight
for
controls.
parking stand 23 South Bangladesh
Check.
121.
Lap setting.
Config 1 plus F.
Config 1 plus F.
Bangladesh 121,
Radar operator wager.
On auto.
Engine modulator.
Normal.
Visibility is 500.
Pick a memo.
RPR
Takeoff,
1000
no blue.
meter, and visibility
Cabin.
Ready.
slowly improving.
Taxi checklist
Copy
complete.
Bangladesh 121.
Arabia 513, contact Dhaka Tower, 118.3, Allah Hafiz.
1183, we're ready Arabia 513. Bye bye. 1183.
Right. Okay, Captain November 2 identified.
Check.
Clear right. We'll turn left on November 2 to hold short runway 14.
Checked. Tower, boarding Arabia 513, approaching holding point runway 14, ready for departure.
Arabia 513, line up, report ready.
Line up and wait runway 14, and we are ready for departure. Arabia 513.
Arabia 513, after departure, initially climb and maintain 3000 feet. Surface wind is northerly, 8 knots. Clear takeoff, runway 14.
For departure initially 3000 feet, clear for takeoff runway 14, Arabia 513. Check, clear left side.
Clear it. Okay, lining up runway 14 via November 2 to the left.
Check.
Line up checklist.
Line up checklist, takeoff runway.
Runway 14 to the left, Bravo, November 2.
Runway 14 to the left, confirm full length. Tickets,
TRE.
back 1 and 2.
Off.
Line up checklist complete.
Check out.
Rolling, okay.
Okay, Captain. Takeoff.
Check.
Mount flex 48 SRS runway auto thrust blue.
Checked. Thrust set.
Check.
100 knots.
Check.
V1, rotate.
Dhaka, Assalamualaikum, Kepler 471, non-vertical holding for runway 14.
Kepler 471, Walaikum Assalam, line up runway 14 and
Nav.
report ready.
Check.
Line up runway 14 and next color for departure, Kepler 471.
Autopilot 2.
Check.
Thrust climb, auto thrust.
Check. Turn departure frequency for area 514.
Airway 513, airborne 50, contact Dhaka approach 121.3.
1213 area 513, bye bye. Approach, good morning, area 513, passing 2000 feet and climbing 3000 initially.
Runway 61 to Dhaka, follow the route and number 4 in the landing and maintain level. Speed out of Charlie Fox.
I'm maintaining Bangladesh 612.
Airway 513, good morning, identified. Climb to flight level 260 and proceed as cleared.
Weather contact flight level 260 and clear area 513.
Open climb, through 6000 Al Blue.